Good morning. We're at Makery Guy Woodworks, and I just wanted to give you kind of a walk around quick of what we're working on today. And I don't think I can flip this. I can't. Well, we've got this. It's a late 1800s, early 1900s St. Lawrence skiff, and I'll give you more history on it later on. A former intern of mine has already begun the restoration by removing some rotted planking, and obviously the stems, inner and outer, are gone. I've put some of this I've clamped back together just to see. These are 28-inch long decks, longer as they come down this way, out of butternut, which is like a white walnut, and the hull is cedar. So there's lots to do on that. I'm actually calling the owner today and having a discussion with them about what their ultimate goal is for that. And then I'm making a couple tabletops. We're over by the dehumidifier here, so it might get a little loud. And these are going to go over old 20-gallon or 40-gallon salt glazed giant crocks. Somebody's got those in their living room and they wanted a couple tops. So one of the details, and I'm just going to show you the raw version. I do this, I double up the edges, and then I rip my own battens, and then I finish them. That kind of looks pretty crude. I finish them much like a shaker box would be. Here's one that's sanded almost fully right there, and then I'll be able to put finish on those. It's all from reclaimed wood, which is awesome. We're going to stain these dark, and I'm going to try to talk her into letting me do some sort of logo or vintage, make it kind of look like a barrel top or something like that. But that's today. Oh, and these boards are insane. They're about 15 to 18 inches wide. I've got two of them, 3/4 thick. This one is still busted from breaking off on the sawmill. And I'm going to use these in our house, so I'm going to make a faux beam that looks like it's carrying about an 8-foot span. One of those is going to be the horizontal beam, and one is going to be the vertical that's underneath it, and I'm going to make them look like they're notched in. So that's what's going on today. What are you guys up to? I'll talk to you later.